Sorry I didn't post a video yesterday. I was kind of very busy, so I wasn't able to post a video yesterday. But this was what I did, and this was what I was up to yesterday. So let's start from code. Code was waiting around here, so we didn't take any trade, and this was the trade that I've been waiting on code. We broke this low and came back and test this resistance right here, and let's go to the 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, this move right here, this whole leg right here, this is equilibrium. Like this is price returning and giving sellers another opportunity to sell at a premium price, so this is equilibrium, and this other block is inside equilibrium. So I waited for price to get into this other block, and what happened, what I did is I just dropped down to my 15-minute time frame, and I just dropped down to my 15-minute time frame, and this was what I did. After price reacted from here, it shifted down and gave us this imbalance right here. So after shifting down, that shows that price is willing to react from here and give us this imbalance. So on the entry of this imbalance right here, that was where I entered from, and I put my stop here. I took profit around here because there was a reason why I did that, to profit around here, because there was a resistance area. There's a forward resistance here, so it's highly possible that this place is going to repel price. So that was the reason why I just took profit around here. So right now I'm looking to continue the sell, and this is a perfect setup, like, for me to continue the sell. This perfect setup is like, it's very perfect for me to continue the sell. But at the same time, I'm really not into this position right now because there's no news and everything, so I'm really skeptical about this position. So I'm going to enter, a very small portion of the position. I'm just going to enter very small. I'm not going to go heavy. I'm just going to go very small on this position and see exactly what happens. As a matter of fact, let me go and add this position. You see, I'm just going to risk about 0.5% on this trade. Yeah, I'm going to risk about 0.5 on this trade, and this thing is going to be, sorry, I want to log in this position before I continue, before I continue with what I'm doing. So sorry guys. Okay, so it's going to be 0. Yeah, so this trade, I think I'm putting my distance stop at around here. So let's see if we get tapped in. I'm really skeptical about this position though, so let's just put it here and see what happens. Are we gonna be tapped in, or we ain't gonna be tapped in? So show you guys the result, and just looking to come and take profit around here. Yeah, looking to come and take profit around this yesterday low. So after sweeping, if we sweep tomorrow low, then I think I'll be done trading gold for the week, because I don't really know what's going to happen. So yeah, I think I'll be done trading gold for the week. So yeah. Sorry, I'm pausing. I'm just listen. I'm just adjusting my listen, my position inside this trade. I feel like I should not risk. I feel like I should just risk like uh yeah. I feel like I should just risk that. That's what I feel. So let's see how it plays out. So does it on good and on GBP I was inside this trade. I took this trade, but I think this thing I got out around this trade. Broke this resistance and a retest. That was what I took this trade, but I think I got out around here because I noticed price was actually forming a reversal pattern. This pattern right here, this is a reversal, so I just got out there and allowed price to do whatever it wants to do. That's what I did. So that's it on GBP and on crude oil. Like this position, I've been holding this trade since like Monday. Holding this trade since like Monday, and as you can see, we have the classic. We have this first break and this second break. So this is an imbalance right here. This is an opening gap right here. This is an opening gap right here. So I'm break even on this trade because this might push price to come and take us out here. So I'm break even on this trade. So I'm just like, but this was the reason why I took. We broke this first leg right here, came and broke this second. So I always break. I always take test on the. I always take my position on the second entry, and the reason is that I don't like to take reversal. If the trend is bullish, I like to see a very solid confirmation that we are going bearish before I start selling. So this was what I saw, like price was reacting from here, and we pushed from here, broke here, then here, then here. So this leg, that was where I was looking for my entry from, and this is the perfect entry right here. There's a breakout block right here that I entered my trade for this way. Leg up and put my stop here. You can see the trade is still playing out, and we'll see exactly where it goes. But I'm breaking even on this trade because of this position. But once we break here, I might add another position on this trade, so we can see for sure. So let's see how that one plays out. And Bitcoin, I missed this trade. This trade did not tap me in. It did not tap me in on the Bitcoin. So yeah, I missed the trade. But right now we are here on the price is currently inside another block right here. And we are reacting from this other block. That's where price is reacting from. So I might, how will I say it? I might see a buy position later during the New York to just come and buy, and probably price is likely, if this trend is still bearish, price is likely this thing to get here. Yeah, so this is an area where I feel like it's going to repel price. So price is likely to come here before selling off again. So if I see a position around here, I might just take like a 3R into this place. So let me go down to the 15-minute time frame and see exactly what is printing. So on the 15-minute time frame, this is so you see this is the trend, is bearish, and I don't think it's even worth taking. I don't think this trade is worth taking, to be honest with you. I don't think so. So I don't think this trade is worth taking, so I'm not gonna take this trade. I'm just gonna leave it and see how it plays out. So see you guys on the next video. But I'm inside this sell on gold already. I'm inside this sell on gold already, so we'll see how it plays out. Yeah, I'm inside this sell on gold already. I entered around here. Let me adjust my levels. I entered around it because I feel like price wasn't going to get to where I wanted to get to. So I entered around here, and my take profit is going to be this low right here. So let's see exactly what's going to happen. Let's see how price react to this place, and see what it gives us. So yeah.